So here I am looking like a hot mess on a Sunday. This is what today consists of. Me cramming my ass up under this car. Ugh. In this cramped ass garage. It's oil change day. Oh, yeah. Got the jack stands going on. Got my underpinning removed here. Oh, yeah, so we're about to change some oil. Look at this hair. Something serious in it. So, the second half of, oh, look at this. Oh, my face is dirty. The second half of my video begins with beer because you need some juice land. When you can't get your fucking oil filter off because your ex-boyfriend tightened that bitch so fucking much, that you can't get it loose. So I had my daughter go buy me another tool. So we're going to try this because I can't get my belt tool in there. And be able to effectively turn it where the filter is located on this fucking car. So let's try this out.